Hello and welcome. Today you will learn how to use a rule to create a table. This can be very important for your other four representations, as the table can show you where to plot the dots on the X and Y and how many squares go into the pattern. So our question is, how can you create a table by using rules? Tables can be very important as they can help you plot the dots on a graph and help you figure out how many squares you put into the different patterns that you can use to help find the rules. So our question is x cubed plus 10. To set up your table, you're going to have to put your x and y in there. X goes on the top, y goes on the bottom. Whatever number on the top there are is what you put in the x. So you have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now, you would put these in where the x is, or you could just multiply the number 3 times. So 0 times 0 times 0 is going to be 0, and you add 10. And of course, it's just going to be 10. Then you do 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1 plus 10 is 11. And you bring down the 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. You gotta multiply it that third time. Times 2 equals 8. Plus, then you add 8 plus 10 equals 18. 3 is similar to 2. 3 times 3 equals 9. Plus, my bad. It would be 9 times 3 equals 27. And you add 10 to 27 equals 37. When you first look at your rule, you can always find your 0 number, which is whatever number you add or subtract to it, which in this case is 10. Be sure to always put them in the right spot, as it could always mess you up on your patterns and or graphs that you may use in your latter 4 representations. To help me to solve the rules, I used 2 different math standards. I chose to utilize patterns because you have to use similar ways to find the other y's, like the 1 times 1 times 1, 3 times 3 times 3, and 2 times 2 times 2. I also chose to model the mathematics because you have to use a table to figure out all the y numbers. You also have to show your work, like the 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8, to help it figure out and be more easier on you.